name is David Copperfield, and this is my story. I was born in England, orphan of my father, before I even come into the world, and raised by my sweet mother, until a cruel man, my stepfather, changed my childhood forever. From a very young age, I learned what loneliness, hard work, and injustice truly means. I walked difficult roads, faced poverty and hunger, and also discovered friendship, love, and happiness. Every person I met left me with a lesson, and every challenge made me stronger. Today, as a writer, I look back and understand that every tear and every smile, I understand that I mean, shape the man I have become. And you, would you dare to write your own story, no matter obstacles?